po, meron po bang ibang members ng Gilas natin na nagsabi na rin sa SBP na hindi sila mag-join?
I think it's safe to say that Dwight and AJ, because they're playing in the Manila PB Games on September 9 and 10, right? So, conflict na yan kaagad sa schedule ng Asian Games, kaya hindi sila makakasama.
Ma'am, Asian Games is just a passport-only tournament. Si Benny Boatwright po ba, at saka si Justin kasama, meron pa po bang ibang players na makakasama?
Si Justin is obviously still a mainstay of the team now. He just missed the game against Australia because of an injury that we wanted to rest now. With regards to Benny Boatwright, the legislative process for his naturalization has already been completed, but the process itself has not yet been completed. So nasa Malacanang pa yan, it still needs to be signed by the President, or we will have to wait for it to lapse into law, and then manunumpa siya, tapos pupunta tayo sa Bureau of Immigration para kumuha ng naturalization certificate, and with that certificate, that's the only time that we can apply for his passport. But we did enter his name in the long list, so sana po umabot.
Si Justin po lalaro sa FIBA Windows natin, sa Asia Cup lahat.
Sa ngayon, yes, Coach Tim is looking to fill Justin naman for window number 4.
Ma'am, si Kai.
Si Kai, wait and see tayo lagi kay Kai, as explained in other press releases or interviews. Si Kai has pathway to the NBA, which we want to keep open and we want to support him in that. So, titignan natin pag malapit na yung window kung ano yung magiging commitment ni Kai for the national.
Thank you.